I've owned a video camera since I was 18 years old. From the Vault Friday is where I dig deep into my archives to present footage that without YouTube would otherwise go unshared. Source material for this footage ranges all the way from Super 8 reel, 8mm camcorder, high 8 and MiniDV Camcorder. This massive diamond python really gave us all a bit of a fright.
Oh yeah, yeah. Wow. Seriously man, that might have attacked. But seriously man, it's fucking big, eh? It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Shit! It's big, eh? I did, man. I was right there. This thing you run so fast. Nah, right next to the thing. Wow. Oh, there's its head. It's looking at me, eh? Where is it? I lost it. There it is. There's this little tacker. I'm looking at you, buddy. I'm looking at you! Yeah. But when I was here, its head was down like out this way, right where I was about to tread. Yeah. That's the snake in question. You got no legs, buddy. That thing is taunting me. We have snakes, we have water, bears. Actually, I made that thing up about bears. We have no bears. Right there, mate, right there. You stay there, I stay here. Nobody gets hurt! Was it? That looks epic, that looks fucking excellent. That's a long snake. Why didn't it just go under it? That's beautiful, eh? Yeah, but complain, you don't see this often. Yeah. Oh, Gav just took a look. Check that out.
It was right about here where I decided to put my camera in a position where we all thought the snake would slide to. We figured it was kind of trapped in this gully, and so we put the camera down and just waited.
It's going right where I anticipated it.
And yeah, you can hear me very excited. It's going right for the camera. I'm just going to let you listen to the background audio here. We were psyched. This is cool.
Imagine if he decides that he wants to hang right at the camera for 6 hours, man.
That's what I thought. What will we do? It's worth the risk, though, isn't it? Like, it's just done something real silly, eh? Is that going to catch that there? No, I don't think so.
No, it'll come across, don't you worry. Look at the footage and we've got just there.
Right now, it's right in the view, eh?
It's right in front of it.
Looking right, it's going straight towards it.
Imagine if it goes to go on your camera.
Fuck off! I think it's straight into it. Must be putting out snake signals.
This is the most epic footage you've ever done.
Go under it.
No, that's the best. You just get this big view of this guy.
You won't see its head from there.
Yeah,
If it goes down, it'll put its head right in front of it.
You'll get a good idea of how long it is. What are you going to see now? You're going to go watching this going.
Look at it, it's still going, it's still going, it's still going.
Imagine it turned it off. It goes, oh, I've got a camera, buddy. Hit the pause button. Let's just pray it doesn't stay there for half an hour. Go and look, buddy.
Actually, that'd probably be pretty boring footage now.
Probably about it.
Rewind over that, tape it as it goes, once it goes up and stuff. Like such a big ass on the road.
When it was tight to him.
In fact, I should tape over all the snake footage and just do one real good one of this. I've taken so much snake footage that if I rewind it all, start again with one of these real good ones, that'll cover it all.
Oh, you can always editing purposes.
Well, if he goes up
It's
that
short
way,
on
he's
tape
got
space.
Yeah.
I want to see his tail flick out the camera.
I hope you enjoyed that from the Vault Friday. How about that video quality though? And if you enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing to my channel here. Check out my regular vlog here and a random regular vlog there. And if you're a photographer, please check out my Lightroom 6 presets here.